Okay guys, we got an iPhone 8 short on VDD main. I found the cap already just from a quick inspection, and we're just going to remove it. So we're going to get out the board holder, put the phone in the board holder. Okay. We're going to use the quick 861 DW for this. I think you guys can see the bad cap there, right? So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to clear out the underfill. Excuse me. Alright, I had to mute the mic there a second. Really clear, a good one. Can probably tell I'm recovering from a cold, but won't let that stop us. How's that for a bad looking cap? My gosh. Wow. Okay, so we're just gonna... There you go. Okay, let's get that cap out. Boom. And let's get the phone powered on. And let's see if I can get you guys... Nope. Oh, we're gonna remove this. Let's see here. Okay. So let's just bring that in. And let's see here now. Let's just plug this in. Get out my glasses here real quick. Plug this in. Okay. And then we're going to plug in iPower. Oh. Still have a short. Oh no. Okay, so let's see where else our short is. Should have just checked that right off the hop. Let's just check that other area that we were just in. Let's see what else we can find up there. Okay, so we'll get you guys back under the microscope. Looks like the cap right next to it is also touching, doesn't it? Looks like that's bad guy too. Jeepers. Yeah, look at that. It went ping. It moved. This one moved too. That's crazy. I don't know what happened here, but never seen 3 caps move like that before, I'll tell you that. Okay, well, just gonna knock these off. Okay, boom. Boom. Okay, we're just gonna clean up those pads. Okay. Christ. Okay, let's see now how we're doing. Just give me a second, let you guys know if we've got a short still. We're all clear. Okay, so let's get you guys out of the scope. And go ahead and plug back in the screen now. Boom, shakalaka. Okay, we'll let that turn on. This one, if I can find the, yeah, here we go. So this thing's really bent. Yep, there we go. Can you guys see that? Hardly, right? I don't know if you guys can see that at all. It's on, but let me see here. Yeah, you guys can see that now a little bit, right? There you go. See that? Good. Alright, so that was an interesting one. Thanks, guys. Drop me a like, please. I really appreciate it when you do. Thank you.